Hi children, good morning to all. Welcome back to the English online classes. Today let us revise lesson 4 from our semester 1 textbook. What's the name of the chapter? Yes, how the firefly got its light. So today let us revise that chapter once again and revise the meanings and the question answers. So it was springtime and all the insects were happy. Why? Yes, because they flew from one flower to another flower to sipping nectar. But our fly was so sad. Why? Yes, he wanted to be special. And he looked at the butterfly and he looked at the bee and he thought that they have their own specialty. But I don't have nothing special. The butterfly is so beautiful and the bee is so strong. But he thought that he has nothing special. And one day at night he could not sleep and he flew around the garden. At that time the mole and the mouse, they were also awake, but they didn't see our fly. Why? Because the fly is so small. That's why he wanted to be special. And our fly saw the stars are shining in the sky and he thought that he wanted to shine like the star. And who heard this voice? Yes, the moon. The moon heard this voice and the moon replied, "If you help me, I will help you to shine." And the fly, he just surprised. "How can I help you?" He asked, "How can I help you?" The moon replied, "When I came out in the dark, all the animals were asleep. So I have no friends. If you stay awake every night for me, I will help you to shine." And the fly agreed. Why? Because he wanted something special. And he agreed. And the next day, our fly stayed awake. Then what happened? And the moon taught him a secret spell. What do you mean by spell? Yes, the words with the power of magic. And the moon taught him a secret spell. What was the spell? Yes, fly, oh fly, shine, oh shine. What was it? Fly, oh fly, shine, oh shine. And the next day, our fly, he stayed away. And he said this spell. What happened? After he said this spell, he started to shine. And he became so happy. And the mole and the mouse, they were also surprised. And they also wanted to shine like the fly. And the moon also became so happy. Every day, the fly stayed awake at night to welcome the moon. And the moon and the fly, they became good friends. The moon thanked to fly. That's the lesson. Okay, children? Next, we will revise the meanings and the question answers from this lesson.
Lesson 4. How the firefly got its light. Meanings. The first one, nectar. Spelling Nectar. What's the meaning of the word nectar? Yes, sweet juice inside flowers. And the second one, lonely. Lonely. Lonely means sad because he had no friends. In this lesson, the fly is lonely because he is sad. He had no friends. Third one, spell. Spell. Spell means words with the power of magic. So the first word is nectar. Nectar means sweet juice inside flowers. Second one, lonely. Lonely means sad because he had no friends. Third one, spell. Spell meaning words with the power of magic. Let us revise the question answers. From this lesson, there are 3 question answers. The first question, why was moon lonely at night? Why was moon lonely at night? Answer, the moon was lonely at night because it was dark and all animals were asleep. Once again, the moon was lonely at night because it was dark and all animals were asleep. And the second question, what did fly promise to do for moon? What did fly promise to do for moon? What's the answer? The fly promised to be awake with the moon every night. The fly promised to be awake with the moon every night. And the third question, was moon happy to get a friend? How do you know? Was moon happy to get a friend? How do you know? Answer: Yes, the moon was happy to get a friend because he smiled and thanked Fly for being his friend. Yes, Moon was happy to get a friend. He smiled and thanked Fly for being his friend.
So children, today we have discussed a summary of that lesson and the meanings and the question answers. Read that lesson and write and study the meanings and the question answers. In the next class, we will discuss the grammar topic from this lesson. So we'll meet in the next classroom. Till then, take care, stay at home and stay safe.